So I've been looking for a truck for quite some time now, and of course when I decided to stop looking, an opportunity gets presented to me, and well, now we're here. We are currently on the property of where I not only bought just one, but two Ford 1970s Ford. This one that you see right here is a 1970 Ford F250 is believed to be a 352 with a 3-speed auto column shift. This one is in pretty great condition, straight for the most part, no rust. It's kind of why I got it. Besides a couple like minor dents, the rest of the body is very straight. So let's take you around and then we'll show you the other car. So here it is. I'm not sure if this is the factory color or not. I'm pretty sure it's not because you can see signs of, you know, something. I'm hoping to find that door piece. They said I can go through and kind of look and find, you know, like for example, we got some, those are important, and you know, those are pretty straight from what it looks like. But this is the interior. It looks really great, to be honest with you. Slight rip here. I think the other side was just as good. Everything just is complete. This is pretty cool. Yeah, so it's a 3-speed, like I said, 352. It's even got that little side compartment, dual tanks, I think. I don't think it's 3, I think it's just 2. Here's what I'm taking home with me, and we got the tailgate, which is nice, and I'm taking home all of this stuff. And yeah, so what I'm doing today is I'm getting the tires ready because I'm gonna have this towed. I'm not gonna, you know, pull a vice grip and try to revive it here and drive it home, even though home is 15 miles away. So it could make it, but I don't think they let me do that, so unless we're lucky. So yeah, so I think these tires are pretty straight for the most part. I think this is the only one that wasn't airing up. Side compartment, like I said. We'll come over to here, show you guys this. We got some decoration as well. Like I said, looked pretty straight over here when I lifted up the box. Didn't find the title. So the thing with this and the catch with this is it doesn't have a key and it doesn't have a title. So the title, we already arranged it and we already went through everything. This is a salvage title which had back fees on it, and I was able to get the back fees waived, which was really nice. And yeah, so salvage title, but a very straight body for the most part, and I feel like I can make some money on it. I got a pretty good deal, $335 for 2 trucks. So that's that one, and I'll show you this one over here. We got a bunch of stuff out here. Actually, it's pretty crazy. We got a Ford Falcon, and this was already bought by somebody else. And then we got another one over here in Econoline. And I'm not too familiar with these. This is not in my realm, so I don't know how valuable they are, but straight body, no rust. They all have the same in common. And this right here is the F350. So Ranger XLT 1974 tires. I'm taking the tires today, putting some used ones on just to get it to roll. Camper special, super camper special. This one has, I believe, a 390. Ooh. Almost ate shit. This one has a 390 with a 3-speed auto, column shift, of course. And this interior is pretty clean as well. Really can't complain. I think these are new-ish and they only have a crack right here. But other than that, we got the centerpieces. This one had, man, I don't know. So I'm thinking 107 because of the pedals. Maybe 77, but I doubt it. I think 107 is where it's at. Seat was a little beat up on this one. Not as nice as the other one, but that's all right. The interior, door panels, everything else looks great. The dash even looks great. I think it's barely cracked over there. Man, it's just, this is a solid rig, and I got both of these for $35, and I think I'm $37.50 deep into it right now with registration and all that. So just super clean. But the catch is I'm taking everything that's in there home. So, and there's a lot in there. The deal was I could have it for $35 if I took it with all this stuff in it. And this is what we're gonna have to go through. There's some Ford steering wheels in here which I feel like would be a great help. Some tail lights, a couple other things. A lot of stuff is in here. I'm gonna have to go through all that, so, you know, but that's all right. We'll find something useful in there. And this is the spare tire right here, as you can see, which is pretty cool. I honestly haven't dabbled in the F350s too much. I can try to get this open. I got it open last time, but you know. So this is what we're working with. This was a factory AC car, even has the air compressor and just everything. Guessing everything is mostly factory for the most part. Oh shit, I didn't even notice that. That's gonna suck. Yeah, this is everything right here. I'll show you the trunk when we get to my house, but we'll kind of go more into it. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys what we got going on, show you the state that it's in with raw untouched footage, and then we'll go through everything once I get back to my house. So I'm gonna get these wheels off and then we will proceed from there. Found a rake. I'm raking all this stuff out now, all these leaves and shit. I'm over here literally like gardener right now. I got my fucking, I don't know, I found these and I'm over here chopping away at all these leaves and shit. But yeah, I'm really fucking digging this thing out of its grave, like for real. Yeah, so, and then I got this to move, so we're good on that. The rear is most likely drum, so those are gonna be probably seized. Yeah, so I'm gonna put cinder blocks right there, and that, thank God I found that. I should've just looked for that from the beginning, because man, that would've saved me a lot of time with just everything. Second tire off, got all the eggs off, and look at that. It's not even cracked or nothing. That thing is held up. Look at that. It's an interesting looking shock right there. These brake lines have held up, surprisingly. They're looking a little dry though. I don't know, we could probably use this. 2 down, 2 more to go. Check that out. Fucking Prey Mantis. Almost killed this guy. Alright, so update. Check this out, we moved all the wood, put it over there. We're getting both tires ready right now. Hopefully they'll roll. Put the cinder block. We're gonna move this, and we're gonna move it that way, this way, that way. So I got my buddy here with his big ass Dodge fucking Ram, and he's gonna pull that out. So let's see how this goes. I'm really excited to see how this works out. I got some axle straps right here. He's got his, so I'm hoping that we're able to do this. All right, hold on. I think our issue, is this a 4x4? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, okay. Try that. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure we're turning in the right direction. Let me see. Okay, go ahead, do it. Oh shit. Can I kind of turn it? All right, go. Okay, stop. All right, let's try and turn this. All right, we're good. Keep going. Okay, hold on. Wait. When we were paying attention, he went up on this big ass hill. I totally forgot about it. Fuck. So he got stuck. God damn, wait, hold on. Oh yeah, he's good. All right, let's do it. successfully. And well, now I guess it's time to figure out if this thing will fire. I won't lie, I peeked a little bit, threw in a battery, cleaned the terminals, cleaned the ground points, and you know, just made sure that we had a solid connection with what we got. Just pop that off. This is what we got. So that's just looking a little rough. That's probably gonna be not working. Okay, well, that's good. Everything is still moving as it should, so that's probably gonna definitely need to be cleaned. I don't know how it looks on the inside, but it's all right, I guess. All right, let's just pop off the cap, see what we got. As you may know, we don't have a battery, so we're gonna have to hook up a wire going straight to the coil and see if we got anything. So that doesn't look terrible. It's got some wear. It's not bad. The condenser and the points probably went out, so that's probably what we're gonna have to replace right now. Luckily, that's what I already brought, so we can put that in. Points have been successfully installed. I thought I'd show you guys this. There it is. So usually these condensers, they go bad either way, which causes the points to fail. But as you can see that? Yeah, there's no way that that's working. So put in new condenser, new points, gapped it to whatever, even had a feeler gauge. I put like 17 thousandths of an inch. So we're just gonna put that back on, and then I got the ignition coil hooked up. I'm gonna send some fluid down the carb, and then I'm gonna see if this thing will run. So I took off the line to the fuel pump. I guarantee that's not gonna work and pull fuel because they always go out, but just to try it out, I'm just gonna do it. We got this old ass starting fluid that I found, and then we also got brake fluid, so I'm not even trying. I don't think I'll use the brake fluid, but I'll definitely use that. So we're gonna put that in. We're gonna hook this up, make sure that that's kind of tight on there. Oh shit. Hey, it's kind of on idle. So I'm gonna go pick up the fuel pump. I had that ordered, and then I'm gonna go see if we can get this maybe working. If not, we might have to rebuild it.